You're watching CKWS News at Noon.
Good to see you on this Friday afternoon. Yes, your weekend is here. Not just any old weekend. We're talking about a holiday-long weekend with Thanksgiving on Sunday. Many people having Monday off. Kingston getting to 19 degrees close to the water. Away from the water, I'd say 20, 21 degrees for a high today. And then you factor in the humidity. It's going to feel more like 25 degrees. Rain intermittently all day long. Hopefully we'll catch a break around the evening. And then overnight, more rain and a low of 16 degrees overnight. This is the big old mess that we'll be dealing with all day today. Again, we catch a break in the afternoon, maybe around the dinner hour, and then more rain overnight, and then we catch another break tomorrow evening, and then more rain on Sunday. Hopefully we won't be dealing with this. Yeah, this is flurry activity for Sunday morning west of Bancroft and up around Georgian Bay. So hopefully that won't affect us. We're just dealing with some rain. Belleville, today, 22 degrees your expected high with 10 to 15 millimeters of rain. Still above average, not as cool as we've seen lately though. Even cooler tomorrow, 17 degrees, 2 to 4 millimeters of rain. Could salvage some sunshine as well, Belleville. And then Sunday, Thanksgiving, 12 degrees. So from above average to below average and 5 millimeters of rain. Note those single-digit overnight lows into the weekend as well. Brockville, 22 degrees today, 5 to 10 millimeters of rain. 16 on Saturday, 15 millimeters of rain. And then Sunday, getting to just 11 with 10 millimeters of rain and single-digit overnight lows. Smiths Falls, 10 to 15 millimeters of rain today with a high of 21 degrees, well above average. And then dipping to 14 for Saturday, 15 millimeters of rain. Hopefully you'll have a lovely Thanksgiving, Smiths Falls. Only getting to 10 degrees though with 1 to 3 millimeters of rain. At least it's not snow. Kingston, 21 today, 10 to 15 millimeters of rain. 16 for Saturday with up to 5 millimeters of rain. We could see a little bit of sunshine on Sunday for our Thanksgiving as we climb to 12 degrees, but up to 10 millimeters of rain. And then a light rain Monday and Tuesday, still below average. 12 on Monday, 13 on Tuesday.
We own Midas in Belleville, Brockville, and Kingston. For brakes, tires, oil, everything. Midas will keep you safe and on the road in all weather conditions.
Nice to see you on this Friday evening on the eve of not just any weekend, it's a holiday-long weekend. Happy Thanksgiving to you. Here's a look at the headlines. Overnight will drop down to 15 degrees. Also overnight, rain. Yeah, 10 to 15 millimeters worth of rain, and we're going to be dealing with some wind. We dealt with some wind earlier today. It continues overnight and into tomorrow. Gusts anywhere between 30 to 40 kilometers per hour. And a noticeable drop in temperatures. You'll start to see it, well, you saw it a little bit today. You'll see more of it tomorrow, especially on Sunday. And speaking of Sunday, rain for Thanksgiving. Yes, here's a system that we dealt with earlier today. We're catching a little bit of a break, and then more rain on the way for Saturday. Again, a little bit of a break, and then more rain on Sunday. And speaking of Sunday, what's going to be happening here? Look at that. We just saw a little bit of flurry activity west of Bancroft. So that's not going to affect us at all. But Belleville, wishing you a great Friday evening. Thanks for joining us. 17, you're expected a high tomorrow. So yeah, a dip in temperatures, but even 17 is a little above average. 2 to 4 millimeters expected for tomorrow. Not a total washout. You even salvage a little bit of sunshine. And then Sunday, 12 degrees. Going to below average, 5 millimeters of rain. We're seeing a little bit of sunshine as well for Sunday. But yeah, happy Thanksgiving to you. And for your holiday Monday, 12 degrees and 1 to 3 millimeters of rain. This is the same pattern that's playing out for Brockville here. So a little above average today. For tomorrow, rather, 16 degrees with 15, up to 15 millimeters of rain for Brockville. And then for your Sunday, Thanksgiving, 11 degrees, barely into the double digits with 10 millimeters of rain expected. And notice those chilly overnight lows as well. For Monday, 11 degrees and 5 to 10 millimeters of rain as well. So yeah, you're going to want to keep your umbrella close by. For Smiths Falls, 15 degrees for tomorrow, 15 millimeters of rain. And then for Sunday, 10 degrees is what you'll be dropping to. Unbelievable how 3 days can make such a big difference between temperatures of close to 30 degrees and then down to a high of 10 degrees for your Thanksgiving Sunday. 2 to 4 millimeters of rain expected. Monday, 11 degrees and 2 to 4 4 millimeters of rain. You know, some people like this. They like the fall cooler temperatures. Sweater weather is what they call it. And for Kingston's next 7 days, here's how things should unfold. So 16 degrees for tomorrow. Again, the average high this time of year is 15. So yeah, a little above average, but certainly cooler than what we've seen the past several days, only getting to 16 degrees, 5 millimeters of rain. For Sunday, a little bit of sunshine, and then 5 to 10 millimeters of rain. For your Thanksgiving, getting to 12 degrees. In fact, we are below average all the way into Wednesday at this point. For your holiday Monday, 5 millimeters of rain, getting to 12 degrees, slowly rising. By Tuesday, 13 is the expected high with 5 millimeters of rain, up to 14 for midweek. Rain continuing, and you're probably thinking, when's the rain going to stop? At this point, not until maybe next weekend, but Thursday, 15 degrees the high. What's the same for Friday? Both days we're looking at a chance of light rain. So yeah, you know, a couple of words to describe the next week for much of Eastern Ontario. It's going to be cooling and it's going to be wet. Keep your umbrella handy. Right now, some weather wallpaper.
Weather Wallpaper is brought to you by Christine Geary's Maple Leaf Tours Travel Cruise. Visit mapleleaftours.com to get into the picture.
Take a little trip to Bath, Ontario, where Jeff Bryant lives. He sends this picture and he says, this is a dove and her 2 babies in our spruce tree in our front yard. And it was taken earlier this week on Wednesday. He says, seems to be very late in the year to have little baby birds in the nest. Yeah, this is something that happens in the spring, but I don't know, better late than never. Maybe she didn't meet the right man. Took a while, and then decided to settle down, have the babies. I don't know. But I love this picture. When I first saw it, it almost looked like a Christmas card or something, because the overexposed needles here give the illusion that it's snow, but it's not. They're just overexposed evergreen needles. And this almost looks over here like some garland or something. It almost looks Christmassy. But yeah, normally we see the baby birds in the spring. But I love this picture, Jeff. Beautiful picture of the doves. If you have any pictures to send us, we would love to hear from you. Submissions at ckwstv.com or head over to globalnews.ca/Kingston. I mean, I don't really want to talk about Christmas at this point. We have still to get to Thanksgiving yet, and then of course Halloween after that, and then I'm sure we'll see lots of beautiful winter-like pictures. But back to you guys.
I agree, Bill. That is a lovely picture, and you're right, it does look like a postcard or a Christmas card, and we will look for your 10-day outlook a little bit later. Thank you, Bill. Now with the 10-day outlook.
Here's your last look at the weather with our long-range forecast here and some fluctuating temperatures. Let's get to it. Now, tomorrow for Kingston, 16 degrees. It's a big drop than what we've seen a couple of days ago or even last week. However, 16, still a little above average for tomorrow, and a good chance of seeing some rain, 5 to 10 millimeters worth of rain for Saturday. In fact, if you look at the icons on the bottom of the screen, yeah, we're dealing with rain all the way into a week from Monday. It's going to be a wet week. 12 degrees, dropping to 12 degrees for Sunday and Monday for a high. 13 for Tuesday, 14 for Wednesday. Thursday and Friday, we're up to 15 degrees, which is the average high for this time of year. And then Saturday, 14 degrees, dipping to 13 on Sunday. And then Monday, October 16th, 14 degrees. Have yourselves a great evening, and we'll see you real soon. Happy Thanksgiving.
Your long-range weather is watching CKWS News at 11.
Wishing you a great Friday evening. We noticed a dip in temperatures yesterday. We were still above average yesterday. Big dip in temperatures today, but even today we were a little above average. But the big story for the next several days, all the way into next week, in fact, is the amount of rain we'll be seeing. 5 to 10 millimeters of rain throughout the day is what we had today. We caught a break, and then we'll see a little bit more rain for Saturday morning, and then more rain for Sunday, and then temperatures really drop on Sunday. So yeah, best to keep that umbrella handy and have a good umbrella too, because we are dealing with some windy conditions, the kind of wind that sort of blows your umbrella invertedly. So for Belleville tomorrow, 17 degrees, still invertedly, is that a word? 17 degrees for Belleville tomorrow, a little above average, 2 to 4 millimeters of rain expected. And then for Sunday, Thanksgiving, 12 degrees. I mentioned a drop in temperatures by Sunday. Yeah, only getting to 12 degrees. That is below average. 5 millimeters of rain expected with some very chilly overnight lows as well. well. For Monday, 12 degrees as well, 1 to 3 millimeters of rain. Brockville, good Friday evening to you. 16 degrees the expected high with 15 millimeters of rain. 11 on Sunday and 10 millimeters of rain for your Thanksgiving Monday. 11 degrees, 5 to 10 millimeters. Now for Smiths Falls, 15 degrees. That is where you should be for this time of year. For tomorrow, 15 millimeters of rain. Just getting to 10 degrees on Sunday with a light rain, 2 to 4 millimeters. Much the same on Monday with a high of 11 degrees. And again, yeah, chilly overnight lows for you. Now for Kingston, we'll climb to 16 degrees tomorrow, up to 5 millimeters of rain. Happy Thanksgiving. Of course, that is Sunday, 12 degrees. So we're actually dipping to below average for this time of year for Sunday, and 10 millimeters of rain. Many people have Monday off, a holiday Monday. 12 degrees, the expected high to begin the week with 5 millimeters of rain, and then 13 on Tuesday. I sound like a broken record, don't I? Yeah. More rain in the forecast for Tuesday, 5 millimeters of rain, and the broken record just plays on. Rain on Wednesday, rain on Thursday, rain on Friday. And in 1 week's time, yeah, we're going to be looking at that seasonable high of 15 degrees. Have yourselves a great evening, and happy Thanksgiving to you and your family.